Hello guys, what you what you see in front of me is the Power Hyundai price list. Now, which car prices is this? You may ask. You may say this price is basically for the Hyundai Alcazar gas price list. Price list. There's a brand called Power Hyundai which is there. Yes, which is there in. With that type of quiz, you can get this showroom gas. It is like the opposite the famous Metro Cash and Carry opposite the showroom car. And I'm talking about basically showroom comes in. In Chennai, Halli basically the showroom comes in, and today we're going to talk about Hyundai price. Hyundai is a price list. Hyundai is a unit of Vayuputra Automobile Private Limited, Kanapura Main Road, opposite to the Metro Cash Carrier, Bangalore, 62 gas. Today, basically, Hyundai Alcazar comes with the 14 different models in which has petrol, diesel. In diesel, we have the platinum optional diesel is the top and all for diesel. Diesel, yes, we'll get yes, all the features will get A to Z. And basically, in this Hyundai Alcazar, when I went last month to make a video of this car, I was very confused. After when Hyundai car video, I was very confused. This video was like there because all the cars that got base variant, mid and top end, all the vehicles, I was very confused. Uh, what is the what feature is not there in base, mid and top end? Because when I made a video of this vlog, all the three cars had it car had the stock factory fitted panoramic sunroof, and it had electric brakes, power brakes, and also it had an steering mounting controls, and also it had a multi-touch system for all the three variants. And wow, what is the and all the vehicle came with 6-seater, and but the top end came with a 7-seater optional. And here, what is the feature? Totally, this car will come with 6 colors. Yes, and I don't know what feature is not there in base way. Mid gear. We are very confused with this car. First time I get confused when I get Hyundai car review. I know. And now I'm talking about this is the price here. If you want to buy this car, this is the today we'll be getting 14 variants in this car. In petrol, you'll be getting the in petrol, and basically in Hyundai Alcazar you'll be getting two types of gear also getting. One is 7-speed automatic gearbox, and another is 6-speed manual gearbox. And if you see the first one, we have in diesel you'll be getting in diesel you'll be both automatic and manual gearbox, 7-speed and 6-speed. You will be getting 1.5 automatic and manual diesel engine you'll be getting in diesel engine you'll be getting 1.5 liter for all the uh, um, various, you can say, diesel in the base will be in the in the in the in the in the petrol variant. You will be in petrol variant you'll be getting only one engine option called as the 2.0 liter option. We're getting 2.0 liter you'll be getting in petrol option. In 2.0 liter you'll be getting both automatic and manual gear. In automatic you'll be getting 7-speed gearbox, and in manual getting 6-speed gearbox. And in front of you you're seeing the price case. First you're getting a 2-liter Prestige 7-speed gearbox. This is the you can just pause and you can know the including the ex-showroom price, road tax, insurance, and every in the fast tax, everything it will costing you around the 20 lakhs 74,762 is the starting price for the Alcazar Petrol, the Prestige variant 7-speed gearbox gas. And we have the second variant called Platina 7-speed, including all the charges. You will be paying 23,000. You're paying 23,000, 13,392 rupees. You'll paying for this car, and you have a this is for the top end, when the top end Platina 7-speed might be the top end, and we got the Prestige variant. You got 6-speed. This all the way, and Alcazar petrol you have the top end Platina optional 6-speed gearbox. This car will cost you around 25 lakhs 79,499 is the top end of that thing. And there's another variant called signature optional 6-speed. That car will cost you 25 lakhs 15,482 rupees is the prices. And in diesel for the Platina top end 6-speed gearbox will consider an automatic gearbox that will cost you 25 lakhs 8,025 rupees will get it. If you want, you can. If you want, I'll put this prices in my official Facebook. I'll put this prices and the booking amount for this car is around 25,000 rupees. If you want to pay this, you can only pay this through Google to Google Pay or mobile wallet, or you can also pay with bank DD, cash, check you can pay. And when coming to the showroom, and this is the price. And and if you want to if you want to test this vehicle, the tested vehicle will be coming soon in India in 10 days, yes. And this is the thing, and yes, and this is the terms and condition for the car. Payment in favor of the Mrs. Vayu Push Order Private Limited for all the check pay order demand graph, and kindly pay with cash, DD check in cash counter collect the original receipt. Price ruling and the time for delivery will applicable. And while booking the card, you have to have a OTD card, ID, LSC, bond, passport, or other card as address proof. And if you want every registration, you have to pay around 1,000 rupees. If you want to get auto registration charges, will be without HP within 1,700 rupees auto charges and charges. And this thing and whenever you buy a new car, any brand, FASTag will be put from the company certainly, yes. It will put from the showroom certainly. That's why they are charging 5 rupees for the FASTag. They are going to recharge you and give the FASTag for you. Because 250 is called the refundable amount, and the remaining balance is for the is for the recharge amount wherever you go in the government toll booth will be cutting the amount for that will come. This is the thing. And if you want to contact Power India Gas, this is the showroom number, and you can also log into the website called www.powerindia.com. There's a number, guys. And if you like this Power India the price list of the car, and what's the booking amount, what's the color options, what's the variants, and what's the booking, everything I have told in this simple video, guys. If you like this video, please like money, share money, subscribe money, guys. And ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಬೇಗ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಬರ್ತೀವಿ, ಜಲ್ದಿನೇ ಬರ್ತೀವಿ, ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಬರ್ತೀವಿ. ನಮ್ಮ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಮೈಟ್ ಬಿ ಟಾಟಾ ಸಸ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ, 50,000 ಓನರ್ಶಿಪ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಆರ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಯಮಾದ R7 ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. ನಾನು ಆ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ. ಲೆಟ್ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಟೈಮಿಂಗ್ ಡಿಫರ್. ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ನಾನು ಹಾಕಿರಲ್ಲ, ಪ್ರೈಸಸ್ ಹಾಕಿರಲ್ಲ, ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಕದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾನು ಈ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ನೋಡಿ, ನೀವು ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ ಗಾಡಿ ತೊಗೋಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಗಾಡಿ ಪ್ರೈಸಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಮತ್ತು ಎಷ್ಟು ಬುಕಿಂಗ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಇದೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ. ನಾನು ನಮ್ಮ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನೋಡಿ ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಪಿನ್ ಟು ಪಿನ್ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂದಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಪ್ರೈಸಸ್ ಅಂದಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಅಂದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ನೀವು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನೀವು ಗಾಡಿ ತೊಗೋ. ಮತ್ತು ನನಗೆ ಈ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ನನ್ನ ಅಫಿಷಿಯಲ್ ಫೇಸ್ಬುಕ್ಕಲ್ಲಿ ನನ್ನ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ನೀವು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ನೋಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ನೋಡೋಕ್ಕಾದ್ರೆ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಬೆಳೆಯೋದು ಪ್ರತ್ಯೇಕ ನಾವು ನನ್ನ ಫೇಸ್ಬುಕ್ ಪೇಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಈಗ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ನೀವು ಗಾಡಿ ಈ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ನೀವು ನೋಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಬಂದೋದು ಪ್ರತ್ಯೇಕ ಸೈನಿಂಗ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾರ್ಟಿ ಗ್ಯಾಸ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು, ಬಾಯ್.